आप बहुत अनुभवी आदमी, वही बिजनेस होगा, क्वेश्चन और में कोई और चीज में नहीं ले सकता, ये चेयर की मजबूरी है। प्लीज जी, प्लीज, आपकी बात ही रिकॉर्ड पे जा रही है, आपकी बात ही रिकॉर्ड पे जा रही है। फर्स्ट सप्लीमेंट, प्लीज। यस सर, प्लीज
sir. The answer of the government, the honorable minister, is National Commission to examine the subcategorization of scheduled caste in Andhra Pradesh report submitted on 1/5/2008. So what is the report contains to see, and advised the government to make an amendment to the Article 341 to create subcategorization to the community. Whether the government has recognized the injustice caused to the Relly and Madiga community in the Telugu states, whether if so, what are the steps taken by the government to promote it?
Thank you, Manya Mantri.
Honorable Vice Chairman, the Honorable Chairman, the matter is related to the subcategorization is not only the pertaining to Andhra Pradesh, sir, but even in Karnataka over 2-3 decades, the Madiga community and various organizations like Madiga Dandora and Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and also they have protest dharnas and rallies demanding the subcategorization, sir. And the implementation of Justice of Ramchandra Raju, Justice Sadashiva Commission report to similar status with 5 other states also, sir. Karnataka cabinet had written a letter to the department in favor of subcategorization when it was asked to opinion in 2012, sir. As per the Article 341 subclause 1 and 2 of our constitution, it specified that the caste, race or tribe at the time of gazette notification for the scheduled caste list, it was notified that all the castes are homogeneous entity. But all the castes are not homogeneous entity in the nature, practice, rituals, their lifestyle, livelihood and culture are not homogeneous entities in the nature, sir. In fact, certain communities in the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe are not equal in the matter of education and economic development.
Honorable Minister, please be brief in your answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is the major problem in South India.
I know,
sir.
all questions are important, answers are also important, but you have to be brief.
India a very larger share in the reservation, sir. On the other hand, of the certain communities were well still on the trade hold, and such communities may not be able to enjoy the fruits of the reservation in the next several years of the facilities that may empower them to enjoy the fruits were not available and accessible to them, sir.
You can place that report on the table of the House.
It's not the report, sir. It's not
yes,
the report,
so be brief.
actual, sir.
Be brief.
There is a gap between untouchable and scheduled caste and touchable scheduled caste who are enjoying the fruits of the reservation, sir. They have been observed that reported by Justice Ramchandra Raju, Justice Usha Mehra Commission, sir.
Please be brief. Do not read. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सारे मेंबर से, पूछने वालों से भी, उत्तर देने वालों से भी, एज पर चेयरमैन डायरेक्शन, प्लीज बी ब्रीफ, अदरवाइज आई विल मूव टू अदर क्वेश्चन.
Sir, what our member asking, what is the actions and what is the process are going in the courts and somewhere, sir. That's why the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly on 2004 and 98 had passed the resolution unanimously on need of the categorized scheduled caste reservation to ABCD as recommended by the Justice Ramchandra Raju Commission, sir.
Honorable Minister, I'm requesting time and again, please be brief.
The said act was challenged by one of Mr. E.V. Chennaiah in the High Court and Andhra Pradesh. The High Court upheld the act.
Honorable Minister, then you send your reply here. Thank you. Second supplementary. Sir, please be brief. And I'm also requesting माननीय मंत्रीगण और माननीय सदस्यों से, बार बार चेयरमैन कहते रहे, जब से पिछले प्रश्नकाल में इस सत्र में मैं बैठ रहा हूं, उनका रिक्वेस्ट आपको बता रहा हूं, जिनके क्वेश्चंस रह जाते हैं सारे मेंबर्स आते हैं और मिलते हैं. प्लीज डू नॉट पुट अस इन सच एम्ब्रेसिंग पोजीशन. ये आप लोगों को ही हल करना है. प्लीज सर,
in the reply, Honorable Minister stated that the matter is pending before the Supreme Court and it is sub judice. My specific question is the sub judice with regard to the matter which are pending before the Supreme Court with regard to the powers of the state, whether the state has got a power to subcategorize or not. But not as far as the category, what is the stand of the central government with regard to the categorization? That is not the pending before the Supreme Court.
Question.
That matter is before the larger bench. that matter pending before with regard to the powers of the state to subcategorize under Article 341, Clause 1. But the question is, my specific question is to the Honorable Minister, whether you are going to recognize the disparity among the Madiga and Relly communities in Telugu states since Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
one more question.
Thank you.
And Gadkari, Honorable Gadkari, the then President, all of them recognized this right and submitted representations to the
Thank you.
government. Whether
Thank
you
you.
have considered and
Thank
allowed
you.
the
Manya
categorization or
Mantri ji,
not.
briefly, please be brief in your answer.
The Andhra Pradesh High Court, comprising the 3 judges, upheld the Andhra Pradesh scheduled caste recognition, sir. Act 2000, in the year of 2000, letters was challenged before the Supreme Court. The bench comprising the 5 judges has struck out down the Act of 2004, sir. It was again challenged on the August 8, 2020. The bench comprising the 5 judges opinion that the Supreme Court order required received by the revisited by the larger bench, sir. The bench was their opinion that they cannot visit because it has the same strength, so it is requested to Honorable Chief Justice. The place matter before
Honorable Minister, please.
7 judges considering the approaches, sir. This matter was subcategorized, scheduled case presently sub judice, sir. We cannot disclose anyway. The government is positively looking for the Supreme Court 5 members constitutional bench observed that the subcategorization SC community is to be revisit the bigger bench and request Chief Justice in India to form the bigger bench and receive the. We are waiting for the.
Please, please send your written reply to Honorable Mercedes. Dr. Hanumantaiah. Dr. Hanumantaiah, please, Ravindra Kumar ji. Dr. Hanumantaiah.
Sir, the answer given.
Please,
Sir, please, Dolaji. Sir, the answer
please
given.
सीट पर बैठ करके ना बात करें.
The
Please.
issue of subcategorization of scheduled caste is presently sub